I'm Thomas Michaud. Good to have you here today. I have for you a guitar finger exercise disguised as the Peter Gunn theme. Oh, some of you may know it as the Blues Brother theme, depending on how old you are. This was originally written by Peter Mancini, I think for the Peter Gunn Show, somewhere in the 60s or 50s to 60s. And then, of course, the Blues Brothers took it over in the 1980s and made another hit out of it. Now, the way I'm going to show you to play this is so you can get the most bang for your buck. So here's what it looks like. We're going to play it all on the 6th string, and we're going to use 4 fingers. Now, if I were just playing it to play it, I'd probably just use my 3 fingers like this. But so that you get the most out of this, I'm going to turn it into an exercise that uses the pinky. And if you're early in the guitar stage, or even if you've been playing for a while, it's likely you need some extra work on the pinky. So we're going to do it like this, all on the 6th string. Open E, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 4th fret, 3rd finger, and we'll use the pinky on the 5th fret. So it's going to look like this. With the rhythm, it's twice, then 1st finger on the 2nd fret, release, 2nd finger, 3rd fret, release. Now the pinky on the 5th fret, and down to the 4th fret with the 3rd finger, like that. Yeah, you got that? Okay, so a little faster. Try it once with me. We'll do it 2 times, slow. Open string, twice. Now 2nd fret, open, 2nd finger, pinky this time, and down to the 3rd finger. Now, to get the most out of this, you want to pay attention to where you're putting your fingers. It's important to practice getting your fingers to go right near the fret, not on top of it, just before the fret, so you get a good clear sound with the least amount of tension in your hands. Now, it's going to be a habit, so that's why you want to practice it. So after a while, you don't even think about it, and your finger just goes right where it's supposed to. One more time, try it with me. Get your guitar? Let's do it. Open. And pinky, 3rd. I'm going to go a little faster a couple of times, and then I got a play-along track for you that you can play along with. It's faster. That's how I want to build you up there. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Open, 1st finger, 2nd finger, pinky, 3 again. Open, 1st finger, 2nd finger, and pinky. One more time, open, 2nd finger and pinky. Now, 3rd. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and we'll try it with a drummer. It's a little bit faster than this, so you might wanna practice it first a little bit on your own. In any case, you'll see where you're at, and then you can always come back to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that was fun. Just a quick reminder, it's important to go slow and focus on getting your fingers in the right place at first. You can always speed up little by little. You see, you're developing habits that will serve you as you continue on your guitar journey. So pay attention and do it right. By the way, if you'd like some help learning guitar, I can help. Check out my Real Guitar Success membership and see how much fun learning guitar can be.